Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. In this video, I will show you how to create a new partition in Windows 11 step by step. It's super easy and you don't need any extra software. This is helpful if you want to organize files, install another OS, or keep your data separate. Let's get started. Right now, I only have the C drive on my PC and I want to create a new separate drive. First, we need to open Disk Management. Right-click on the Windows Start button in the taskbar. Then click on Run in the Run box, type disk mgmt.msc and press Enter. This will open the Disk Management tool where you can see all the drives on your system. Here you will usually see the C drive, a system reserved partition, and maybe a recovery partition. Don't touch the reserved or recovery drives. We're only going to work with the C drive. Right-click on the C drive and select Shrink Volume. Windows will now calculate how much space can be shrunk. Wait a few seconds until it loads. Now enter the amount of space you want to shrink in megabytes. For example, type 10,000 if you want a 10 GB partition. Then click on Shrink. You will now see a black box showing unallocated space. Right-click on that unallocated space and choose New Simple Volume. Click Next. Click Next again. Now assign a drive letter. You can choose D or any letter that's available. Click Next again. Now format the partition using the NTFS, which stands for New Technology File System. Then you can give it a name or leave it as is. Click Next, then click Finish. Your new drive has now been created and formatted. To check, open File Explorer and click on this PC. You will see your new drive ready to use. You can now store files, games, or anything you want in it. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create a new partition in Windows 11 using built-in tools. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.